So, looking at the state of government performance management in Canada, it's pretty clear that there's a whole lot going on from federal frameworks with the MAF to the patchwork approaches across provinces like Ontario,
Mm,
BC, and Saskatchewan. Each province seems to have its own story.
right, and I find it interesting how Ontario is struggling with oversight, while BC's collaborative tri-party model appears more robust. How do you see these differences playing out?
Yeah, it's like comparing a misaligned clock with one that's just in sync. Ontario's system is kind of fragmented, missing standards and legislative backing, whereas BC has built a really solid framework around transparency and accountability, kind of like a well-rehearsed orchestra.
Yeah, that's a neat analogy. And in Alberta, despite having comprehensive governance structures, they still battle coordination issues. It almost seems like every province has its own unique hurdles.
Exactly. And this is where the push for digital transformation and the integration of AI comes into play. The report highlights how AI can optimize resource management and offer predictive analytics. But there are serious hurdles too, like
Mm,
legacy IT systems and data quality problems. It's a bit like trying to run a marathon in outdated sneakers.
I see your point, but isn't there a risk of overhyping AI? I mean, if government agencies are already bogged down with infrastructure issues, can AI really turn the tide without addressing those foundational problems first?
That's a fair challenge. The research does stress that AI isn't a magic bullet. It requires a significant upgrade of both technology and the workforce's skills. It's like trying to install a state-of-the-art engine in an old car without fixing the
Yeah.
chassis. So you need careful planning and phased implementation.
Speaking of which, the phased roadmap for AI integration seems pretty methodical. Starting with foundation building, moving to pilot projects, and then scaling really emphasizes the idea of cautious experimentation. Do you think this might slow down innovation, though?
It might seem slow, but it's actually strategic, ensuring that the groundwork is solid before ramping up. It's like um, learning to swim in a shallow pool first before taking on the
Mm,
ocean. This approach helps manage both risk and resistance within a risk-averse public sector culture.
interesting. And then, on top of that, there's the dimension of workforce transformation. Upskilling in AI, data analytics, and digital literacy becomes crucial. The report even highlights mentorship programs and hands on projects as key ingredients.
Exactly. It's a comprehensive approach. You need to blend technical training with change management to create a culture that embraces AI. Without that, even the most sophisticated tools would sit idle.
Yeah, so wrap it all up. While there are significant challenges from outdated IT systems to cultural inertia, the potential gains in efficiency and accountability make this journey essential for Canadian governments, right?
Right on. It's an intricate balancing act between innovation and accountability, and the research highlights that transformation is possible if the right frameworks and training are put in place. There's a lot of promise here as long as
Mm,
both technology and people evolve together.
I appreciate that nuanced view. It seems the roadmap not only guides technological integration, but also sets a direction for meaningful public sector change.
Absolutely. It's a call for a well rounded strategic reform. The conversation around these challenges and solutions is exactly what will drive progress in the AI era.